How to fix Netflix error code tvq-st-106. So if you want to fix your Netflix error code, then what you need to do is first you need to restart your device. Power off your streaming device, for example, Roku, Fire TV, Stick, or Smart TV. Wait for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This can temporarily clear all of your glitches affecting the app's performance. If that doesn't work, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to search for Netflix, and if you have any updates on your Netflix, just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of apps. Tap on it, go with manage apps. Now under manage apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for Netflix. Once you find your Netflix, you need to tap on it and then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and clear all of your cache. After clearing your cache of your Netflix, your problem might be fixed. Or you need to reset your network settings. To do that, you need to open up your settings again, and now you need to go with your search, and here you need to search for a reset. Tap on reset, Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth, and go with reset settings, which will be on the bottom. After resetting your settings, your problem will be fixed. Or if that doesn't, then reinstall the Netflix application. Uninstall the Netflix app from your device and then restart your device and reinstall the Netflix app from your device, App Store, or your Play Store, and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.